Hi everyone, my name is Bola, popularly known as Clean, and I'll be showing you how you can benefit or have access to Canva Pro unlimited features even if you're not a student or teacher. We are aware Canva gives educators access to Canva Pro without paying a dime. All you need to have is to have access to an email associated with your school. You will agree with me, as a business owner, digital marketer, author, or someone who creates content every time on the internet, there will always be a need to create appealing designs that will be catchy or appealing to your audience. Now, what if you are not a designer and you do not have time learning designing designs from graphic design softwares like Adobe tools? Canva is your best bet. Now, what if you do not have the money to subscribe to the monthly subscription on Canva Pro that gives you access to the limited premium designs you can use in minutes? I will be showing you how you can have access. Now you don't have to worry if you are a student or teacher to have access to this. I myself am not a teacher, and neither am I a student, and I do have access. I'll be showing you from my own personal account here. Let's us begin. As you can see, this is my own personal account with the username Clean. You can see education here. That shows that it's a Canva Pro that is attached to the education program of Canva. Now let's say I want to add someone as a student. Just come here, and if you look at the classic details, okay, you can see name Clean. Then if I want to add people to this personal account, just invite people. I can invite through link, I can invite via code, I can also invite via email. So as you can see from the display from my own personal account, you too can get access to this Canva Pro for one-time fee less than the price of a coffee. There will be a link on the description of this video that you can reach out to me if you want to request to have access to this Canva Pro, regardless of who you are, whether you're a student, a teacher, or even if you do not fall into any of these category. Now the beauty is, if you also do not want to pay a token, a small amount of money to help you get this done, I've also written an article on my website at olubokolaibola.com where I give details on how you can go through all the necessary steps yourself. But if you are like me, that you don't like wasting your time, I would advise you to reach out and get access with a small token.